Welcome to the Home for Innovation, where our mantra is real wealth equals manufacturing and manufacturing equals real wealth. Today I wanted to talk to you about a strange phenomenon that's happening in manufacturing. It's really been developing over the last 40 years, but it's accelerating around the globe. It's this idea of musical chairs, that we can continue to find the cheapest place to manufacture our product. As we all know, over the last 30 or 40 years, American manufacturers have been leaving the country to go to places where cheap labor existed. In many cases, today they're coming back to the United States, only to find out, because they found out, that cheap labor is not the only variable when you think about getting your products to market. And they've found some surprising statistics that create problems for them. But what's interesting is that I recently heard a story about European companies now moving to the United States. You see, this thing called fracking, where we've been able to uncover natural gas at an alarming rate, quite frankly, in the United States, has pushed natural gas prices down. Today, natural gas prices in the United States are 1/3 what they are in Europe. So the Europeans are looking at the United States much like we may have looked at China once upon a time, not because of low-cost labor, but because of low-cost natural gas. Realizing natural gas is a prime mover for industry, that this is a big driver of cost to get your products to market. But the interesting point I wanted to bring to you today is that there's a tool that now exists that I've uncovered on the internet that helps companies decide where is the best place to manufacture. And what it does is it incorporates all the variables: the cost to get your products to market, the logistical cost to ship your products 3,000 miles, the trauma to the supply chain by extending the supply chain with issues like over-inventory, under-inventory, the change in trends and the inability to respond to those changes, et cetera, et cetera. So today, I think we have an opportunity to try to make smarter decisions about where we're going to manufacture our product and not do it several times, because it's very traumatic and it's very costly to companies. Let's try to do it once, and let's try to do it right. I want to leave you with a link to this site so you can go check it out. There's a nice article there as well as a relatively long video, but I think you'll find it interesting, especially if you're the person in your organization who's responsible for helping make that decision. Where will we make our products? We'll see you here next time on the Home for Innovation.